Hey friend, welcome to video 6. If you've been dealing with energy crashes, especially that afternoon slump where you feel like you need a nap, or that heavy, exhausted feeling after meals where food knocks you out instead of fueling you, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to stabilize your energy by adjusting meal structure and timing in a realistic way. The benefits? You'll experience fewer afternoon crashes, you'll have steadier energy after meals, and you'll stop feeling like eating makes you want to crawl into bed. Here's the problem with most energy advice. The typical recommendation is to eat more frequently, have smaller meals, drink more coffee, or take supplements. But you're snacking constantly and never satisfied, relying on caffeine and crashing when it wears off, or spending money on supplements that don't address the root issue. The real problem is that your blood sugar is on a roller coaster, spiking high and crashing low throughout the day, and your meals aren't structured to support stable energy. That's where adjusting meal structure and timing comes in. You're going to build meals that keep your blood sugar stable and time them to work with your body's natural rhythms. Here's how it works. Step 1 is building balanced meals with protein, fat, and fiber. When you eat mostly carbohydrates, a bagel with jam, cereal, or pasta, your blood sugar spikes quickly, insulin brings it back down, and then you crash. That crash causes fatigue, brain fog, and cravings. To prevent this, every meal should include protein, healthy fats, and fiber. These slow down digestion and glucose release. Think eggs with avocado and vegetables, chicken with quinoa and salad, or Greek yogurt with nuts and berries. Restructure your meals this way for 5 days and track your energy levels. Step 2 is eating breakfast within an hour of waking. When you skip breakfast, your blood sugar stays low, your body produces stress hormones to raise it, and you feel wired but tired. Eating a balanced breakfast helps keep your blood sugar stable. Even 2 eggs with whole grain toast and fruit, or a smoothie with protein powder and nut butter, works. Step 3 is to time your meals every 3 to 4 hours. Going too long between meals causes blood sugar to drop, triggering fatigue and cravings. But eating too frequently doesn't give your body a break. The sweet spot is every 3 to 4 hours. Step 4 is front-loading your carbohydrates earlier in the day. Your body handles carbs more efficiently in the morning. As the day goes on, insulin sensitivity decreases, and large carb-heavy meals at night cause spikes and crashes. Emphasize carbs at breakfast and lunch. Keep dinner more focused on protein and vegetables. Step 5 is managing caffeine strategically. Have caffeine in the morning after breakfast. Limit to 1 or 2 cups and cut off by early afternoon. Late-day caffeine interferes with sleep, and poor sleep drives fatigue. If you're craving caffeine in the afternoon, your blood sugar crashed, or your lunch wasn't balanced enough. Let me share the 3 biggest mistakes. Mistake number 1 is skipping meals to control calories. When you skip meals, blood sugar drops, metabolism slows, and you end up more tired and likely to overeat later. Mistake number 2 is relying on sugar or refined carbs for quick energy. A candy bar gives you a quick boost, followed by a hard crash. Choose protein and fat instead. Mistake number 3 is not getting enough sleep. You can structure meals perfectly, but if you're only sleeping 5 or 6 hours, you'll feel tired. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours. Here's what you need to remember. Energy crashes aren't random. By building balanced meals with protein, fat, and fiber, eating every 3 to 4 hours, front-loading carbs earlier in the day, and managing caffeine strategically, you can stabilize blood sugar and maintain steady energy. In the next video, we'll talk about brain fog and cravings, specifically how to clear the mental fog and reduce intense cravings by supporting your blood sugar and gut-brain connection. All right, keep it calm, change one thing, and I'll see you in video 7.